Hello guys, today video about VLSI Engineer Roadmap. Step 1. Learn electronics basics, understanding logic gates, flip-flops and number systems. Step 2. Learn semiconductor concepts. Study CMOS, MOS FET, transistors and IC fabrication. Step 3. Learn Verilog and VHDI. Create adders, counters and multiplexers. Step 4. Understand digital design. Learn combinational sequential circuits, FSM and timing concepts. Step 5. Learn FPGA and simulation tools. Practice with Vivado, Model Sim and Cadence tools. Step 6. Learn RTL design and verification. Study RTL coding, test benches, debugging and verification. Step 7. Learn VLSI design flow. Understand synthesis, STA, palace and root and physical design. Step 8. Learn programming basics, Python C and scripting help in automation. Step 9. Build mini projects. Create ALU, UART, traffic controller and processor projects. Step 10. Apply for VLSI roles. Target RTL, verification, FPGA and physical design engineer roles. Thank you.